Hello everyone, and welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we're diving into the world of keyboards with a product that's caught our eye, the ANSWK Typewriter Style Keyboard. This keyboard brings together nostalgia and modern features, making it a compelling choice for both office work and gaming. Let's delve deeper into what makes this keyboard stand out from the rest. First up, let's talk about the design. The ANSWK Typewriter Style Keyboard features unique round keycaps and a floating key design that immediately evokes a sense of nostalgia. The metal panel not only enhances its durability but also gives it a sleek, premium look. But what really sets this keyboard apart is its rainbow LED backlighting. With multiple lighting modes and adjustable brightness, you can customize the ambience to suit your mood or gaming setup. Now, let's talk about comfort and usability. The keyboard boasts an ergonomic design with two angle feet on the back, ensuring a comfortable typing experience even during long gaming sessions or work marathons. Plus, with 104 keys and 19 non-conflict keys, you'll have all the functionality you need at your fingertips. Worried about compatibility? Fear not! This keyboard is compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and more. Plus, it's plug and play, so you can start using it right out of the box without any hassle. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: noise. While this keyboard isn't completely silent, it's significantly quieter compared to mechanical keyboards. However, if you're a heavy typer, you may still produce some noise. In conclusion, the ANSWK Typewriter Style Keyboard offers a perfect blend of vintage aesthetics and modern functionality. Whether you're typing up reports in the office or battling foes in your favorite game, this keyboard is sure to elevate your experience. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more reviews and tech insights, don't forget to subscribe to UK Pro Reviewer for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy typing!